Welcome back to my channel Adhyan with Flow. Okay, let's start with chapter 2, biological classification. Now, different scientists come, guys. Different scientists come and they give according to their preference. They divide many kingdoms according to their preference. Some will come, some are comes and they give two kingdoms of theory, means lineage come and they divide, and these are plants. If these features are related, then put it into the plants. Some are animals, means those are characteristics. If they fulfill, then put it into the animals. But guys, our earth have too much diversity. Our earth have too much diversity according to flora, fauna. We have unicellular organisms and we have multicellular organisms. Some plants, they perform plant features as well as animal. How we classify? So at a later, recently, R.H. Whittaker gives 5 kingdom of theory. 5 kingdom most appropriate, and you have to learn this chart. This is the master table, okay, and you have to learn. Okay, this is very simple, this is not complex, they are very simple. They divide whole flora and fauna in 5 kingdoms. First kingdom name is Monera, second is Protista, third is fungi, and fourth is plantae, and fifth none other than animals, and we are in animals. Okay, so this is not complex and this is also not a complex. Yes, then you have to learn most of the data, Monera, Protista and fungi, because you are familiar with plant and animals. Okay, you are not a kid. Okay, you are familiar with plants and animals, but these are small size and less in earth, so you have to learn their features mainly, their examples mainly, because your competitive examiner, they give preference, more preference compared than this. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so guys, first what they take characteristic, take a cell type. Prokaryotes means they does not have proper nucleus, so they make different kingdom, that those organism they does not have true nucleus, then put it into Monera. Okay, okay, clear. Now rest of all, okay, then eukaryotic. Okay, Protista are eukaryotic, fungi is eukaryotic, plant eukaryotic and animals eukaryotic. Why eukaryotic? Why you means true, karyotic means nucleus, because Protista, fungi, plant, animals, they have true nucleus. Okay, now classification according to cell wall, means according to cell wall they classify, means some kingdoms have cell walls but the rest of no cell wall, means Monera, non-cellulosic polysaccharide amino acids. Okay, present in some, present with chitin present, means they have cell wall. If animals have this kind of cell wall, then put it on into Monera. They have cell wall and some have cell wall and some don't have cell wall. Okay, they have cell wall but their cell wall is made up with chitin. Their cell wall, come on guys, plant have cell wall with cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, lignin. Okay, but we don't have any kind of cell wall. Okay, this is true. I already teach you difference between animal cell and plant cell. Okay, we does not have any kind of cell wall. Okay, now nuclear, guys, prokaryotic already don't have true nucleus. How you expect it? They have nuclear membrane? No, it does not have nuclear membrane, but yeah, they have body organization. Guys, they are primitive type, so they are cellular. Guys, they are also but advanced with Monera, so they are also cellular, but they are multi. They have tissue and come on guys, we are tissue, organ system. Come on guys, nutrition mode. Guys, they make their own food. Some are make their own food and some are depends on other. According to them, some are make their own food and some are dependent. They are dependent, guys. Plant make their own food, so you can easily identify. Now guys, we can't make food. Okay, this is the RH Whittaker table. Clear? Okay, let's begin with one by one. Let's start with Monera. Okay, come on guys, let's start with kingdom Munera. Okay, now guys, in your examination, examiner will give you your examination paper like describe kingdom Monera with their suitable examples and elaborate well labeled diagram. Then what you do, make a heading on Monera and start making points. Start making points. First point is what? Where they found? They are abundant, guys. They found everywhere. Now write down location and write here. They found everywhere. They are abundant. Where they found? Maximum in soil. Yes, now guys, look at here, soil. Okay, they also present in which season? Spring, desert, snow, whatever atmosphere are, extreme to extreme, they found there. Yes or not? Okay, now describe their structure and shape. Describe their structure and shape. You have to write down these bulletins and then write down. They have circular, spherical in shape. They have rod shape, spherical, rod shape, comma like shape, and write down one by one their examples. Look at here. Spherical, bacilli, spirilla, vibra. Look at here, comma shape. And you have to remember their structure also. If you want to acquire full out of full marks, if you want full marks, then you have to remember their structure. Alright, I think this thing is clear. Guy, I am teaching you how to write a question and answer. How to write an answer if you want full out of full marks. Then you have to remember these things. Make a heading. Now make a diagram. One by one, cocci, bacilli, spirilla, vibrio. You have to make a diagram. Simple na guys, look at your cocci's diagram. Simple, yeah, come on. Simple diagram. Less effort and you get full marks. Okay, next property is what? Let's move further. They are simple in structure. Okay, come on guys, they are prokaryotic, simple in structure. Now next point is body complex or not? They are prokaryotic, means means primitive, karyotic means nucleus. They have primitive kind of nucleus. They have simple body organization. Now next is they are autotrophic or not? Yes, some are make their own food and some are depend on others. What is the chemosynthetic, guys? They depend on chemical. Clear? Now you clear? Now in your NCERT they elaborate Monera. First is Archaebacteria and second is Eubacteria. Guys, listen to me very carefully. Whenever you hear this term na Archaebacteria, guys, mainly they are found in extreme condition. They can found at extreme condition. They can found at salty area. They can also found in a hot region. They can found in also cold region. They can found in marsh area. Means you have to explain their location. Clear? You have to, guys, this is their scientific word. Halophile. Halo means salty. Thermo means hot. Marshy. Methanogens. Okay, you have to learn this scientific word also. And these are most important. Guys, Archaebacteria we use. Yes, guys. Example, like I give you example. Tech polymerase. I use this polymerase in biotechnology. Yes, guys, you have to write. I'm writing for you. You have to write this thing. Okay, you get full marks. We use in biotechnology, guys. Okay, the name is PCR, polymerase chain reaction. I use this polymerase. What is the meaning of polymerase chain reaction? If I get one copy of DNA, so with the help of PCR machine, I can amplify same copy in multiple number. Guys, maximum helpful. Okay, we can use in biotechnology, in our medical research. We can also use in economic importance in the form of biogas. You have to write this point. Okay, Eubacteria, guys, there is special feature. Why? They have heterocyst. This particular thing, what they help? They helpful in nitrogen fixation. Whatever I explain here now already written here. Okay, don't be panic. Okay, where they found, guys? They found in everywhere. Maximum in maximum in soil and aquatic. Okay, less in atmosphere. Okay, they can mobile with the help of flagella. Cyanobacteria, guys, cyanobacteria, what they do? Nitrogen fixation. Photosynthetic autotrophs means they can make their own food. Cyanobacteria, this is the property of cyanobacteria. If your one word answer is explain, describe what is cyanobacteria, then you have to write down this thing. Cyanobacteria are unicellular, colonial, filamentous, freshwater, marine, or terrestrial algae. That's it. The colonies are generally surrounded by the gelatinous sheet. Covered by what? Gelatinous sheet. They often bloom in polluted water bodies. Okay, guys, when in aquatic medium there is more nitrogen, more phosphorus, more sulfur, then what they are helpful for growth of algae. Then what they do? Algae grow, divide, make their multiple copies, and they cover whole sea. covered maximum area of sea. So in aquatic animals like fish, frog, they suffer because no light can penetrate, no oxygen can penetrate. Okay, sometimes they are not useful. Okay, we call it as a algal bloom. Algal bloom. They have heterocyst because it is helpful in nitrogen fixation. Okay, some are heterotrophic bacteria, means they can't make their own food. But doesn't mean they are less important, guys. They are important because they work as a decomposer. They break down, they break organic material, inorganic material. They very helpful, guys. The name is bacteria does not mean they are uh, toxic in nature. No, guys, they are helpful, making ecological balance. Okay, look at here, production of antibodies, helpful in making curd from milk. You are here, this thing, fixing nitrogen in legume plants. Legume plants means pea plant, soya bean plant. Okay, alfalfa. Okay, third is mycoplasma. Guys, they does not have cell wall. Monera have cell wall, but these are the exception. They does not have cell wall. They can survive without oxygen. So in one mark question is come, what is mycoplasm? You have to write this thing. You have to write these things. Okay, now something I'm telling you new is what is DNA transfer or how bacteria divide. Normally one cell is divided into two same cell. Okay, same to same, nothing is changed, ditto copy, two copy, ditto copy. All right. Okay, now next thing is what? Next is kingdom protista, but this kingdom we will discuss in our next video. So that's all for now, and thank you guys. Thanks a lot for listening me, and don't forget guys, come on guys, subscribe my channel Adhyan with Flow. Adhyan with Flow. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel and keep smiling. Yes, revision. Okay, thank you.